We'll guide you through how to install JavaFX in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. You need to make sure you have the Java extension pack installed. Go to the Extensions view by clicking the square icon in the sidebar, then search for Java Extension Pack and install it if you haven't already. Once that's set, you need to download the JavaFX SDK from the official website. Go to openjfx.io and click on the Download button. Make sure to choose the version compatible with your system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. After downloading, extract the files to a folder on your computer. Now, open VS Code and create a new Java project by going to the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P and typing Java, create Java project. Select No Build Tools when prompted. Create a new folder named lib inside your project directory and copy the lib folder from your extracted JavaFX SDK into this location. Next, you need to configure your project to use JavaFX. Open the launch.json file in the VSCode directory of your project. Add the following configurations. Under vmargs, include the module path and add the JavaFX modules by typing module path, followed by the path to your JavaFX lib folder, and then diabuilds, followed by the modules you need, such as javafx.controls or javafx.fxmpl. Save the file and make sure your settings.json includes a reference to the JavaFX SDK by adding javafx SDK/lib to the java.project.referenced libraries. Finally, you can run your JavaFX application by right-clicking the main class and selecting Run Java. You should see your JavaFX application window pop up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.